Hey guys, this is Crypto Coin Investor. In this video, we are going to take a look at the golden cross scenario that is about to happen on the Bitcoin chart. Now, before I move ahead, we need to know what is this golden cross. Along with golden cross, I will also explain what is death cross. So, in golden cross, two moving averages are considered. One is 50 moving average and second is 200 moving average. So here the orange one is the 50 moving average and the maroonish or purplish one is the 200-day simple moving average. So this is the Bitstamp chart and it goes all the way back to 2012. So if the 50-day moving average, the 50-day MA, 50 MA is above the 200 MA, that is the golden cross. Okay, so for example here the 50 MA is crossing above the 200-day MA. Let's take some other example. So let's say here the 50-day moving average crossed above the 200-day moving average. Now while the golden cross occurred, the pump never occurred because there are 2 or 3 scenarios where the pump can occur due to the golden cross. If you are in the consolidation period and then there's a golden cross, the pump may not occur. However, if the consolidation has already happened for some time, then there's a big possibility that the pump will occur. Here we just had a death cross. So what is death cross? If the 50-day moving average goes under the 200-day moving average, this one, it goes under. So this is the death cross. This is an example of death cross. And if there's a death cross after a long bull market, by bull market I mean by after death cross, after the golden cross, if there's a death cross after a long period of time, then the market will go down. And you can see that here, that a golden cross occurred, but it was invalidated because we just had a brutal death cross here. And then we went all the way down. This is way back in 2015. And during the accumulation phase, we may have many golden crosses and death crosses, and they may result in little pumps and dumps as well. So accumulation again here, and then we again have a golden cross here, and just prior to that, interesting to see, there was a death cross. So there can be many death crosses and golden crosses in the accumulation period, but they should not be seen as trend reversals. So normally people do see golden cross and death cross as trend reversals, and I totally agree, but you need to keep in mind that if these crosses are happening in the accumulation period, they are nullified. So this was the golden cross that we had in 2015 November, and boy, it did ignite a bull run. The golden crosses are associated with bull run, and the death crosses are associated with the reversal of bull run, which is, I don't know, sadness time. So we had a death cross here, and then we went down, and then in April 2019 we had a massive golden cross. I was about to say bull cross. So we had a massive golden cross here, and you can see that just prior to the golden cross we had a big pump. It went from 4096 to 5400 in just a couple of days. Then we went up after topping out at around $14,000. We then had a death cross here, but keep in mind that after that death cross we are about to have another golden cross here. Just keep in mind that we could still be in accumulation phase. The halvening is set to happen somewhere around in May, so we may have a golden cross here again, followed by another death cross, and then that death cross may just shake out all the weak hands, and then in middle of May when we have the halvening, the Bitcoin can pump again. We have seen this in the past as well. Let me go back here. So in the February 2015 we had a golden cross here, just like we are about to have one, and then immediately after that we topped out at $312. It went up from 220 and then it topped out at 300 something dollars. And then we had a death cross, and just when we were about to have the death cross, there was a strong downward momentum which pushed the price down back to $200 range. So this did shook a lot of people out, and people thought that, hey, this is just this is not the run they were hoping for, and that was a bear trap. And we immediately had a bull cross, and then we went up. So what I think is going to happen is we are going to have a golden cross here, and we might have just topped out at $10,000 something, and we may test the previous levels of like maybe $7,500, $8,200 levels before we again have the start of a fresh new bull run, because I still think that way too many moon boys in the cryptosphere, and we need to shake them out before the next bull run. So I think we will have one at least death cross again here, somewhere around here in April, and then we may get a proper golden cross in the month of May or start of June, and then we will go up from there. So this is what the golden cross and death cross looks like in crypto. I hope you found my video useful. If you did, stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency, ICO news, and coin reviews, and give this video a like if you like my work. Bye bye.